This one is getting a new bedside. Got completely destroyed in this bottom corner.
I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner.
All right, it is time for the Friday crunch. I have a Pathfinder here. This one was basically just a bumper job. They painted the bumper yesterday, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put this one together, get it finished up so it can go home today. I have the bed of a Chevy Silverado here. This one is getting a new bedside. Got completely destroyed in this bottom corner, as well as this back corner is completely wadded up. And it's also going to get these two wheelhouse sections. And like that. You can see here how that's all folded up as well. And this one's all torn up and folded up. And I have the new bedside right here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start cutting this bedside off. So I went ahead and I sat this bedside on here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fit up these wheelhouses and get them sitting where they're supposed to sit. So I got both of these wheelhouse pieces sitting right where they're supposed to. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run a few sheet metal screws in these into the bed of the truck, and then I'm gonna take everything back off, and I'll use these holes where these sheet metal screws go as alignment points. So when I put these back in place, I'll put these screws in the same holes, and that will make sure that when I put these pieces back on, because they get bonded and welded, when I put them back on, these screws will be my alignment holes to make sure they're sitting right where they're supposed to.